Well, hello guys, welcome back to our channel Crypto Console. So today in this video, we're gonna see about the Nexus Prover Node. So Nexus is a zero-knowledge virtual machine, same like the zkVM, which is basically a scalable, verifiable computing. So coming to the funding, Nexus raised in two rounds. The first seed round is led by Dragonfly Capital, and the second, which has a combination of investors, including the Pantera and Dragonfly. So in total, Nexus raised $27.2 million, which is a huge funding. So you can check the docs here. So you can actually run the node through this CLI command itself if you have proper guide. So just walk it through it. I'm able to find this configuration SDKs. How can you use it? So you can read through the docs. So what are the use cases and the core components, architectures. So if you haven't joined our community, kindly join our Telegram group where we post about the node updates and the node release times and any upgrade on the node. All the comments will be posted in the Telegram group. So follow me on Twitter. That's the place I update my testnets and airdrops like things. And subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification icon so you can get the video notification instantly and you can set it ASAP. So as per the analytics, a lot of people are watching the video without subscribing our channel. As a creator, that's not going to help me. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel and then watch the video. So coming to the hardware requirement part, so the minimum is 4-core to 6-core CPU and a 4 GB RAM and up to 50 GB SSD is good to run this node without any interference. So I also gave the VPS option here. So I also suggested a VPS 1 is enough for this node. So it has more than the required spec. So you can buy the VPS through this link. So a lot of people don't know how to buy the VPS. I mean in the selection criteria. So you can use European Union, which is free. Right now US Central also free. But if you buy for now, it will be save 100%. But in future, it may be resumed that $0.95. So buy for 12 months or anything you can save as long as the period is higher. And right now the setup fee also waived, so there is no setup fee, it is $0. So the NVMe thing is for the speed, but we need a storage for running multiple nodes, so you can choose the SSD. So this is the important part. So click here. So you need to choose Ubuntu and change the Ubuntu version into 22.04 and then go to apps and panels. So here Docker, click Docker and click Ubuntu 22.04. So in this case, the Ubuntu and Docker come pre-installed itself, so you don't need to install it. So and then give any passwords. Okay, so you don't need to select anything. You can skip this part. So give a valid password and click next. Okay, you will be forwarded into enter your details and then the payment setup. So that's the only thing. You can use a PayPal or credit card, or you can use the crypto credit cards that I told in the group, or someone also suggested that credit card pay. So you can use that method also. So that's for the VPS. So these are the 4 VPS that we used in our nodes, so you can choose this. So the spec for this is 12 core 48 GB RAM and 1.6 TB SSD. So you can check these things. So after that, let's get into the actual node setup. So just copy and paste these commands. First, we need to install the dependencies. So next, we need to install the rest. Just copy and paste this. So just press enter. Just wait for a couple of minutes. If you already have Rust, this process will skip. But if you don't, it will install all the packages. Alright, so the Rust is installed. As you can see here, the Rust version is showing. So on the next step is we need to clone the Nexus GitHub. So successfully clone. So the step 4 is to create a service file. So the service file use case is to run 24/7. So just copy and paste this. So after creating the service file, we're gonna enable and run the service file. So the service file has started. So the next step is we install Cargo and Rust, right? So this step will clean up the unused imports like the packages or libraries. So just wait for a couple of minutes, it will clean up the unused imports. So and then you can check the logs of your service file. Just run this. So just clear this, so it will automatically get updated. So you don't need to worry about this. After 5 minutes, you will be able to see the proofs are sent. So now proofs are being sent to the server. So you need to wait until get this connecting to this website, right? You just need to be connected, and your assigned proof identifier is this thing. So this is your prover ID. So you need to wait until it get connected. So you can save this ID for the future references. So this node doesn't have any valid, but the team said they will monitor the proofs and the proof contribution by the IP address. So just save this prover ID. So as you can see, the proofs are being sent to the server. I'm just going to quit the logs. So you can also get the prover ID by pasting this command. So you need to paste this command after only connecting to the website. So if you pasted before getting connected to the server, this will not give the result. Okay, just wait until your server and your IP address to be get connected. So you will get assigned a prover ID. So just watch the video until the end so you can have these informations. So if you haven't joined our Telegram channel, kindly join and follow me on Twitter. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the notification icon. So that's it for today, guys. I'll see you guys in another video. Until then, stay safe and have a nice day.